Hey guys, it's Disha and I'm back with an updated eyebrow tutorial. So you guys loved the last one, so I decided to do an updated one because I'm doing things a bit different, but the method is still the same. So first things first, I'm going to be using my Essence eyebrow pencil in the color Hot Chocolate, and then I'm going to be using my smoothing eyebrow brush just to make everything look natural, especially when I'm concealing and doing all that jazz. So that's what I'm doing until I'm satisfied. I'm gonna be doing further like strokes in front of my eyebrow, so I just have that, you know, effect that I have full thick brows when in actual fact I actually don't, but yeah. So that's what I'm doing, and then now I'm going to be concealing underneath my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. This is like a holy grail for this all eyebrow tutorials, literally, because it's just such an easy application and I just like it so much, and it blends well and it's affordable. The list goes on. So now I'm going to be using my angle brush just to, you know, define them brows underneath, so I have straight lines, I ain't jaggedy. My eyebrows are going to be sisters, not, no, actually they're going to be twins, not sisters. So, or even cousins for that fact. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just going to be cleaning underneath my brow so it just looks really sharp and snatched, and yes honey. So now I am going to carry over with the Fit Me foundation in the shade Toffee. I actually use this foundation for my face too, so it just blends well and it makes my eyebrows so natural rather than having holographic, you know, eyebrows, because we ain't trying to have that type of look, sweetie. Okay, we did the brows, but they still gonna look natural. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm doing further like strokes because I want that effect that, you know, I got thick brows, sis. Like my brows are popping. Okay. So now I'm just gonna be using my beauty blender to blend everything to my satisfaction. And yeah, blend away until your arms fall off, sis. So yeah, I'm done, you guys. That is it. You know, we're gonna be rocking our eyebrows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.